In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Family Link from your Google account. So if your account is part of a family group and you want to remove it, then just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open Gmail on your phone or browser. And once it's open, just click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now from here, just tap on Manage Your Google Account. And once the Google Account page opens, you want to go to the People and Sharing tab. Now, once you're inside People and Sharing, just look for an option that says Manage Family Group and tap on it. Now, on this page, you might see options to invite members, but what you want to do is look for Delete Family Group. So just tap on Delete Family Group and confirm the action. Now, once you confirm it, the family group will be removed and Family Link will no longer be connected to your Google account. And that's it. Your Family Link has now been removed successfully. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.